Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change the country on Windows 10 and Windows 11. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to change the country on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, just go to the start icon and then right click. After that, click on settings. And then click on time and language, and then in the left sidebar click on region, and here you see region, country or region. I have here Vietnam. Just click on the menu drop down and then just select the country, for example United Kingdom. Yeah, it's done. This is what you need to do if you want to know how to change the country on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.